NCCA, National Commission for Culture and the Arts. National Artist, year 1972 to 2009. Morsolo Fernando, known as the Grand Old Man of the Philippine Art, National Artist for Painting on 1972. Ino Francesca, known as the Mother of Philippine Dancing, National Artist for Dance on 1973. Francisco Carlos, known as Botong, National Artist for Painting on 1973. Hernandez Amado, known for his criticism of social injustices in the Philippines and was later imprisoned for his involvement in the communist movement, National Artist for Literature on 1973. Molina Antonio, known as Claude Debussy of the Philippines, National Artist for Music on 1973. Nakpil Juan, an architect, a teacher, and a civic leader, National Artist for Architecture on 1973. Tolentino Guillermo, known for portrait sculpture, commemorative public art, National Artist for Sculpture on 1973. Villa Jose Garcia, he used the pen name The Big Leon, which was a combination of the words dove, eagle, and a lion, National Artist for Literature on 1973. Cueva Napoleon, known as the father of modern Philippine sculpture, National Artist for Sculpture on 1976. Abiliana Lamberto, known as the boy wonder of the Philippine movies, National Artist of Theater and Film on 1976. Bucuenco Leonor, known as Trailblazer, Mother of the Philippine Theater Dance and Dean of Filipino Performing Arts Critics, National Artist for Dance on 1976. Joaquin Nick, known for his short stories and novels in the English language, National Artist for Literature on 1976. Fuentes Jovita, known as the First Lady of Philippine Music, National Artist for Music on 1976. Edades Victorio, known as the Father of Philippine Modern Art, National Artist for Painting on 1976. Antonio Pablo, pioneered modern Philippine architecture, National Artist for Architecture on 1976. Manansala Vicente, known for Cubist painting, illustration, National Artist for Painting on 1981. Romulo Carlos, known as the General, National Artist for Literature on 1982. De Leon Gerardo, the most awarded film director in the history of the Filipino Academy of Movie Arts and Sciences, FAMAS Awards, National Artist for Film on 1982. Dilarama Honorata, commonly known as Atang Dilarama, National Artist for Theater and Music on 1987. Benaventura Antonio, a composer, conductor, music director, and a teacher, National Artist for Music on 1988. Ursula Lucrecia, acknowledged as the folk dance pioneer, National Artist for Dance on 1988. Casilag Lucrecia, she is particularly known for incorporating indigenous Filipino instruments into orchestral production, National Artist for Music on 1989. Marceliana Francisco, one of the most important progenitors of the modern Filipino short story in English, National Artist of Literature on 1990. Tin Leandro, known for his use of concrete floating volume and simplistic design, national artist for architecture on 1990. Ocampo Hernando, known for his abstract paintings, national artist for painting on 1991. San Pedro Lucio, a master composer, conductor, and a teacher whose music evokes the folk elements of the Filipino heritage, national artist music on 1991. Broca Lino, known as the ultimate icon of the Philippine cinema, national artist for cinema on 1997. De Leon Felipe Padilla, a Filipino classical music composer, a conductor, and a scholar, a national artist for music on 1997. Guerrero Wilfredo, a Filipino playwright, director, teacher, and theater artist, national artist for theater on 1997. Nino Rolando, founding and artistically directing the Teatro Filipino, national artist for theater and literature on 1997. Gonzales Nestro Vicente Madali, better known as NVM Gonzales, national artist for literature on 1997. Arturo Luz, known printmaker, sculptor, designer, and art administrator, national artist for visual arts on 1997. Maceda Jose, composer, pianist, and ethnomusicologist who dedicated his life to the understanding and popularization of Filipino traditional music, national artist for music on 1997. Quirino Carlos, Philippine biographer and historian, national artist for historical literature on 1997. Navarro Elizalde, he is a versatile artist, a painter and a sculptor, national artist for painting on 1999. Veneracion Andrea, choir master and a choral arranger, national artist for music on 1999. Tiempo Edit, a Filipino poet, fiction writer, teacher, and literary critic in the English language, national artist for literature on 1999. Liliana Daisy, an actor, director, and a writer, national artist for theater on 1999. Jose Shonil, a Filipino writer who was one of the most widely read in the English language, national artist for literature on 2000. Kyokok Ang, known for figurative expressive painting, national artist for visual arts on 2001. Bernal Ishmael, known as the genius of the Philippine cinema, national artist for film on 2001. Montano Severino, a playwright, director, actor, and theater organizer, national artist for theater on 2001. Aya Jose, he pioneered abstract expressionism in the Philippines, national artist for painting on 2003. Mario Virgilio, his pen name Rio Alma, national artist for literature on 2003. Roses Alejandro Reyes, considered as the country's best writer of comic short stories, national artist for literature on 2003. Romero Eddie, screenwriter, film director, and a producer, national artist for cinema on 2003. Bernal Salvador, father known as the father of theater design in the Philippines, national artist for theater design on 2003. Cabrera Benedicto, known as Ben Camp, National Artist for Painting on 2006. Imao Abdulmari Asia, known for using the ukir, sarimanok, and the nega as motifs in his artworks. National Artist for Sculpture on 2006. Era Bienvenido. He introduced to Tagalog literature what is now known as Bagay Poetry. National Artist for Literature on 2006. Ubusan Ramon Arevalo, a choreographer, a dancer, and a scholar, National Artist for Dance on 2006. Po Ronald Alan, known as the King of Philippine Movies, National Artist for Cinema on 2006. Santos Ildefonso Jr., known as the Father of Philippine Landscape Architecture, National Artist for Landscape Architecture on 2006. Ramon Valera. He is the first and only Filipino fashion designer to receive this distinction to date. National Artist for Fashion Design on 2006. Conde Manuel, a Filipino actor, director, writer, and producer, a National Artist for Cinema on 2006. Francisco Lazaro, masterful handling of the Tagalog language and supple prose style, National Artist for Literature on 2009.